All right, everybody, these are your answers for Core Bites number 16. So make sure you check your answers and double check everything, okay? So number one says blank groups of 6 are 42. So if you know your multiplication tables, you know that 6 times 7 gives you 42. So that means there are 7 groups of 6 in 42, okay? For the next one, we're going to find the sum. So we're going to write the number and then we're going to solve it. Okay. So we're going to add them together. So we have 971 and we have 485. Okay. So over here, if we write 971 and then 485, if we add them together, we'll get the sum. Okay. So 5 plus 1 gives you 6. 7 plus 7 is 14 plus 1 is 15. You're going to regroup that 1. 9 plus 1 is 10 plus 4 gives you 14. So your answer would be 1,456. For your fractions, it asks which one is less. That means which fraction has the lower amount shaded in. Okay, so if you look here, you have 2/3. And actually, guys, that is a little bit of a typo. This should actually be shaded in right here. So I'm not sure what happened to the copier, but this should actually be shaded in to make that 2/3. Okay, so if you notice, you've got 2/3 here, and here you've got 3/5. But if you look, 3/5 is actually a little bit more than 3/5. So the answer here, the lesser amount would be 3/5. Okay. Number 4 says, how much money does Brian need to buy 4 chairs and 1 table? Okay, so you're going to have to do some multiplying here. So he wants 4 chairs, 1 table. Okay, so the chairs are $79.95. He wants 4 of them. Okay, so if you line it up, you're going to do $79, make sure you have your decimal, and 95 cents. And then you're going to multiply that times 4 chairs. He wants 4 of them. Okay, so if we multiply that out, you're going to have 4 times 5 gives you 20. Regroup your 2. 4 times 2 is 36 plus 2 would be 38. Okay, 4 times 9 again would be 36 plus 3 would be 39. Regroup. 4 times 7 is 28 plus 1 plus 3, so that would be 28, 29, 30, 31. So move your decimal over twice. 1, 2, 1, 2. So that'd be 80 cents. So you would have $319 and 80 cents, okay? So, but he still wants to get the table, and the table is $289 plus 95 cents. So if we add that in, guys, and we say $289.95 and add that to get our total. Okay, we're trying to see how much that's all going to be together. So 5 plus 0 is 5. 8 plus 8 is 16 plus 1. That would give you 17. Here's your decimal. Regroup. 9 and 9 is 18 plus 1 is 19. Regroup. 8, 9, 10. Regroup. 3, 4, 5, 6. So your total would be $609.75 to get 4 chairs and 1 table. Okay? And then for your last one here, it says, are these lines, that should be an S there, are these lines intersecting? So that should be an S right there. Okay, and the answer is no. They are actually parallel because they are running side by side. So the answer would be no. They are not intersecting. Intersecting lines are usually perpendicular, which means they cross at right angles like a plus sign basically. So no, these are not intersecting. All right, guys, check yours. Teddy says hi.